December 14th, 2025, 4:16 a.m. Glendale Heights, Illinois.
Relax. We're coming. We're coming. We got the paramedics. Yep, stay here. Hey, we got people sinking. Get a roll up.
Watch how one drunk driver's decision nearly kills his entire family.
Now we're getting a report that subjects are still in the water. Their heads are above the water. Heads are above the water.
You can't throw something in the water. Don't go in. They said hypothermia.
Hey, units, come from Roberta. Come from Roberta Court. Yeah. Go from Roberta Court. We're coming. We're coming. We're coming. Hey, you're good. Okay, you're good. Stay afloat, stay afloat.
We're coming. Hang tight, okay? Hang tight, hang tight.
You're fine, you're fine, you're fine. You're fine, we got you. Stay. You're okay. Stay down. Relax. We're coming.
You're okay,
We're coming.
You're okay, you're okay. You're okay, okay, I got that one.
Hey,
I got that one.
we got people sinking. Get roll left feet. Go. Marco, get her. Get up. Hey, get up. Hey, stand up. We're saving her. Go. You okay? Go, you okay? Marco, come here. Come. Hold on. We got you. You okay?
No, for that, we don't go on Roberta Court.
Hey, sir. Stop. You guys stay up. You okay? We got you. Okay? Stay. Okay. Hey. Aside. Hold on.
You want to incorporate?
Hold on. Hey. Hold on. We're coming. We're going. Hey, come here. Hold on. Sir. Sir. Hey. The unit, step it up. We need something. We need a rope. Something.
Go.
Hey, come from Roberta Court. We need any rope. Anything. We have 3 subjects and an officer to one. We're coming. Grab what?
Something on the back. You see a disc with a rope on it.
Hold on.
Excuse me.
Grab me some arm.
Watch out. I got it.
One, grab me some arm.
Move. Give me your hand.
Come on.
I got 2 seconds.
Watch out, don't slip.
All right, Mitch.
How many in the vehicle? How many?
Reach up.
3. Come on, Denny. Come on. 3.
Who else is in the vehicle? How many in the vehicle?
Wait, watch out. Let's go.
Just you 3? All right, give it up.
Let's go.
Go.
Mark.
Go. Strip down. All 3, strip down. Strip down. We're told only 3. All right. Ooh. Go. I got it. Go. Okay, they claim only 3. We read 3.